Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture right here too. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa. What is that? What are those? You like it? Ah, you're not scared. How about this one, Eli? Ah. What is that? Butterfly? Butterfly. Whoa. We have bugs. Yeah, the bugs. Wow, what is this? Beetle?
Probably not the kids that
Looks like a beetle.
but there'll be some babies there.
Oh, that one looks like a. That one's a beetle, I think. Oh, an ant. Look, Eli, an ant. Oh, the ant and spider. Look at that. Let's see what the lineup of bugs Eli have. And this is, I think, I don't know what kind of beetle this is. I think this is a beetle, and this might be a beetle also. This is an ant with spider. Oh, Eli, roach. Roach. Ah! Ah! Oh, butterfly. You get a butterfly. Oh, we get a grasshopper right there. Oh, no, actually, this is not a grasshopper. It's a praying mantis. This is a grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Wow. Oh. Oh, Eli. Look, Eli. I got a grasshopper on my head. Wanna put it on my head too? Oh. Look, Eli, what is this? A moth. That looks like it. This is actually pretty cool. We got all the cute stuff here. Oh, we got a ladybug, I think. Ladybug. Ladybug, that's a ladybug. Escaping. Eli, come back here. Eli, sit down.
On les kind of pushy as they're 60 rocks. 1, 2, 3.